Dada. Dada. Look at the tail, guys.
No, yeah, you know, I tell you.
I only turn it on when...
You know I'm coming, you shouldn't be shutting it off.
I did turn it on downstairs, Tommy. I see you down that tail, oh? It's not a drum. You're making noises in there. Calm down. 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 Okay, leave him alone. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning, guys. I have to go to the basement to help into my face. I'm waiting for Tommy. Tommy's gonna be here today. They are coming here today. And also my mother-in-law. They're both coming here. I'm gonna think what we're gonna have for dinner. I probably just make some pork. You know, spare ribs, pork ribs, and Brussels sprouts. Hi guys! Makati-kati yung ano ko guys. Yung my here in the neck area. Makati-kati. I'm happy that I have videos today already. I have videos for tomorrow. I accomplished 2 days of editing videos that I can be with Tommy today and no laptop whatsoever. And tomorrow as well. And every Tuesday guys, I try to upload mukbang and I will try to do mukbang with you guys. Hi guys, it's 1 o'clock already. I just been playing this freaking Panda app. I just keep playing and the laundry's still running. I'm gonna go upstairs to get the charger for my phone because nalubat yung phone ko guys. And I'm just crazy with dimples. Dimples is when banatsi, like, look at that, it's so clean. It's so clean bed. Guys, where is Roxy? It's really clean, oh. Oh, it's really clean your bed sheets, baby. Bed cover, it's really clean, baby. Hold on, guys. It's clean, yes. It's clean, baby. Did you, baby, did you? Okay, move. To you. What is it, Rox? There you go. You have a clean bed. There you go. Your bed is clean. Go lie over there. Lie. Go lie. It's bed. I can lie down in this one now. Because it's clean now. Tommy love his thing. I still have my Nutella in there, guys. Behind that's Nutella in there. I think this is bad. Oh yeah, Tommy won't eat this. Let me see. Yeah, it's bad. Onion and garlic because I don't want anything, you know, like dirty in here. Look, like that. Oh, like I see that. And I have this ginger here. What's in my refrigerator? This video is in what's in my refrigerator. Tomato. And this one is, I'm gonna throw this out. So Tommy, like, I don't know. I probably don't want to throw this out because Tommy would say, What did you do to my thing, hon? I cannot find it, hon. So this one, I'm going to cook. This is the Brussels sprouts. I will cook that for dinner. Okay guys, here's the egg. I cook a lot of eggs this time because I want some of them to be, how do you call that? Look, that's why Tommy like jumbo, because look at this guys. How big is that? It's a big egg. Oh my god, it's so big, look. Maybe that's why Tommy love jumbo, because it's so big. Keep some of that for like lunch tomorrow or something, you know, because it's good snacks. What did you hear? You think something outside? What's outside? You know Dada is coming here? Dada is gonna be here soon. So I don't know why you're barking outside. There's no doogie outside now. Do you want something now? Hey, Roxy. Rox, you look funny. Roxy, come here. What's out there? I don't hear anything. I didn't. I've just been preparing all the things. So now I'm gonna do the garlic. Water right here for my pasta. It's an elbow. Of course, the egg. Egg sick. Are you ready for time lapse? 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, Tommy is in the store. Ay nako, I'm supposedly the one going out and buy some stuff. Put this back, mayonnaise, because it's too big. I need more mayonnaise also, but we get this in Costco. I know, I mean, Dada's gonna be here soon. I need to clean these glasses again. Holy cow, I just keep cleaning it. Do you wanna see Dada? Where's Dada? Look at you, bug. I need to lie down. I'm so tired. Mommy doesn't give me any treats. Mommy doesn't give me treats. I'm looking for food. Let's see. Oh my God, look at them. But me, I'm still hungry. Mama, feed me. No. I said no. I'm hungry, Mama. I need some food. I need food, Mama. I'm so hungry. Oh, you hear Dada? Did you hear Tommy? Look, they go to the... Of course, they go there first. What? Is so excited? Who's excited? Huh? Excited? Oh, Dada. Misty. Dada. Dada. Look at that, guys. Oh, Dada. Look at the park. He gets excited. He gets so excited.
Hi, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, hi. My real rocks.
Oh, what happened then?
You didn't have a collar on very good.
Okay, you stay here, okay? You stay here, okay?
You know, don't you? You know. Hello. Yeah, you're happy now. What? Oh, you said you were all excited. Yeah. No. No, yeah, you know, I tell you.
Bina-brown ko lang ito, guys. Yeah, I'm just browning that. And tiny. Look what he's doing. Come here. Good girl, Misty. Good girl. Come here, Miss. Sit. Sit down. Come. Come here. Sit. I'm done cutting their hair. Ano ba to? Eh, hindi nag-focus sa akin, nag-focus sa background. Maganda kasi yung background kaysa mukha ko, di ba? Look, there's so many names. Oh, clouds, different kind of clouds stuff, but I like this kind, like Arcos cloud, and this one too. This one I say this a lot. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come, 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 come here, Mitz. Come here, Misty. Come here, come here. Come down. Come, come. You're done your haircut, right? You're done? What are you looking? Did you see something? Did you see something, baby? She looks funny. I still have to cut her tail. I forgot to cut her tail, guys. Not her tail. The hair on her tail. Oh, lobat na ako. Ganda ng clouds, oh. Maganda naman palagi yung mga clouds, wala namang ano. So anyway, I'm going back in kasi lubat na ito. I-charge ko muna tong ano, yung what are you doing? Huh? Yeah, okay. I am. Hi, Bug. Are you ready to go up, Bug? Daddy's TV, always loud, guys. Every time Tom is here. Hi. Long time no see.
Hi.
Are you guys clean now? Are you guys clean now, Roxy? Whose line is it anyway? Darling, oh, good for your touch. Anyway, guys, good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching in this vlog, and I will see you tomorrow. And we're just going to watch the Whose Line Is It Anyway. I love that show. And they have the old version. I love the old version also, but the newer one, it's okay. It's not bad. Good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, my baby is here, but his clothes is hairy right here, hung. Okay, put your jeans over here because it's so hairy. Look, when you do this, I know it's right there, oh.
Yeah.
But when you do this, I don't like this, oh. It's going to hit
So
the
you put a
face.
stop on the wall.
How you doing?
Gotta get a stopper and put it there. Stopper from hitting the wall.
Yeah, because it keep doing that all the time. That's not good. The other side too, there's no stopper.
Yeah.
I think you can just put it, right? Right? Don't put it so cold, hun.
Keep it as hot as you want when I'm not here. I live in the heat all the time. I come here, I gotta live in worse heat.
Are you kidding me?
Because you shut the air conditioner off. So,
Are you kidding me?
my husband's coming, let me shut off the air conditioner.
I always shut it off. I only turn it on when
You know I'm coming, you shouldn't be shutting it off.
I did turn it on downstairs, Tommy.
Yeah.
For you, okay? Even though I'm shivering.
Are you kidding?
I'm shivering downstairs, hun. Okay, guys. Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow because my husband... Because I'm hungering your thing, but you don't have enough in here. So anyway, guys. Good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. They just hearing me talking and they want to know what I'm doing. Roxy, why you being saddy?